So we have some very big news in the crypto market. If you hold any cryptocurrency, what we can see is the past 24 hours, things have changed and turned around very quickly. We can see Dogecoin had spiked out of this purple box that we've been talking about on my Twitter. I even mentioned in my video last night, and we got a very big spike from this box. From the bottom to the top, about an 8% bounce. Very cool. We also have Bitcoin, Ethereum, other cryptocurrencies bouncing up as well. We have the stock market beginning to bounce up. The US dollar is continuing to crash. And we also have some breaking news. Now, the new FTX management has located nearly $1 billion in assets, including $720 million in cash. So this might actually be very good for the cryptocurrency market, as FTX will be able to most likely give some of their assets away to the clients and the people who had money in their accounts on FTX. Hopefully this will be the case, and hopefully everyone who was on FTX or still is on FTX who has not been able to withdraw is able to withdraw at least a portion or a strong portion of the money that was stolen, lost, whatever you want to call it. So we have a lot of stuff that's happening this week in cryptocurrencies, and I need to tell you about it, so make sure you stick around until the very end. So first and foremost, let's go ahead and do CoinMarketCap. Let's take a look at the crypto market. You can see the past 24 hours, most cryptocurrencies are in the green. We have Bitcoin up 2.5%, Ethereum up 4%. We also have BNB up 4%, XRP 3%, Dogecoin at the number 8 spot, by the way, of all cryptocurrencies, almost 4%. We have Cardano 3%, Polygon up 4% almost, Shiba Inu up 3%. We continue to go down. Most cryptocurrencies are just about 3 to 4% up. Very cool to see Dogecoin is the number 8 spot of all cryptocurrencies. It's holding strong despite the bear market. And if we exclude two stablecoins, we can see that Dogecoin actually is the number 6th spot of all cryptocurrencies by market cap. Let's go ahead and dig into the charts. Let's see what's really occurring right now. So the crypto market is bouncing, and we've bounced up. And like I said in my video last night, things look really bad. Things seem bearish, right? Especially from the crash of last week because of the Fed raising interest rates and the whole Fed speech, which crashed the market. Jerome Powell crashed the market. But when everyone is overly bearish, guess what happens every single time? Bounces, recoveries, pumps. It happens every single time, usually all the time. And when things are overly bullish, when everyone is thinking, oh, cryptos are going to pump and they're going to do this and they're going to do that, that's when cryptos crash. So everyone is overly bearish, and we are seeing a bounce and recovery in the crypto market. But the question is this a short little dead cat bounce where we just bounce up and then we continue heading back down, or is this actually some type of sustainable recovery? Because if we zoom out here, which is very important, we always have to zoom out, we can see that we are still forming an uptrend. We are still in an uptrend. We are having higher highs and higher lows, and the current dip, although it was a big dip from last week, is bouncing up and recovering, forming another low. So here we have a low here, and we are still forming an uptrend, higher highs and higher lows. Now, although right in the immediate short term we did break this resistance level, we broke that resistance level, but this does not rule out the fact that we have higher highs and higher lows. This is just going to be a new higher low if we compare to the previous other lows here. So I do believe that there is a chance for us to continue recovering, and there is also a possibility that the market has bottomed out. Now, if you know that the crypto market has a possibility of bottoming out, what will you do? What will you do? Because if you're so dead set that cryptocurrencies are going to crash another 50 to 80 to 90%, then you're going to miss these amazing trading opportunities, buy the dip opportunities in the immediate short term. So currently, based on technical analysis, we need to most importantly pull up the algo sniper indicator, and what we can see on the 1 hour time frame for Bitcoin is we are getting a very beautiful buy signal that gave us incredible profits last night if you took it. Let's go over to Ethereum. We are seeing the same thing there. Same thing with Dogecoin. If we go to the 1 hour time frame, it is looking pretty good so far. Let's take a look at Shiba Inu. Shiba Inu is looking pretty good. No buy symbol yet, but we are getting a few green dots, but showing that price is likely to continue going up. So overall, things are looking very good. Now, if you want to get access to the most profitable trade alerts on the internet, I'll show you some trades that I did in the last 24 hours for my trading community. So if we go over to here, we can see that in tier 3, we entered into Ethereum at 1170. And this morning we took profit. So yesterday after the crash, we entered into Ethereum, and this morning we sold after the pump. So if we go ahead to Ethereum, we can see we got a buy signal on Sniper Algo. The buy alert was about 1170, which is around this green box here. Bounced all the way up to 1230 this morning to about 5.5%. We made over 5% in the last 24 hours. If you want to get the most profitable trade alerts on the internet, I am the best crypto trader on the internet. There is nobody that gives better trade alerts than me. I personally guarantee it. I tell you exactly when to buy and sell. Make sure you join the Patreon. And to get the very close similar alerts as to me, get the Algo Sniper indicator. Tells you also when to buy and sell. It's a win-win. And also, Bybit is giving away $30,000 for free. It's a crypto exchange that I personally trade on. All you have to do is open up an account using the link in my video description, deposit any amount of cryptocurrency for the first time, and you will qualify for those massive bonuses. If you are in the US, you will need to use a VPN. And one last thing, I have a crypto mentoring program for 1 whole year. We meet every week for an hour and change, and I'm teaching people working strategies and how to actually make money trading cryptocurrency and being able to predict the market before it pumps and crashes. This is where you can make tons of money. If you're interested in this, apply with the link in my video description. Thank you so much for staying to the end of this video. Please consider giving this video a thumbs up, subscribing with notifications on, and I will see you all tomorrow.